Ciao. Yeah. Real bad man. What you looking at? I'm with the Crooklyn pack. Don't front, we brought Brooklyn back. Know where my line, just where the hook is at. One punchline outshining before I show 'em where the hook is at. Where you at? Pro era info, you can book this at. We snot noses, don't forget where the book is at. Brown skin, curly hair. Tell them J Book is back. I be too big. Insane in the membrane from the empire, but I keep my mind in the pen state. Niggas wanna know how I keep my pen straight. Damn straight. How they tryna bite off of my template? Based off they sentences that they ain't got good penmanship. That get you clapped like an assembly. And that's all that I was sent to say. Let's get it off for soap, but try to censor me. They provoked in the mensa intense to me. Niggas thought they could relax, but look tense to me. That's all that I was sent to say. Let's get it off for soap, but try to censor me. They provoked in the mensa intense to me. Niggas thought they could relax, but look tense to me.
I walk around Harlem blocks, pockets full of knots. Niggas try to jock cause I smoke the best pot. Road trips, I let my young chick ride, call her work for a nigga, slide at the rest stop. Hungry like a nigga fresh out, sipping medicated punch somewhere decked out. Scribble my name, X your name out, fuck off me. Turpentine, you get the stain out. Nigga, my name ring bells from Wellington to Belgium. You get your passport stamp seldom. Fuck around, kid, you welcome. Wash them up before the bell rung. Fuck your premonitions. My proposition to the opposition is get down and lay down and pop up missing. George Cush when it's warm, fine. Money on your head, nigga, change your mind.